That is same this one.
Sim, sim.
This one.
What this one? I don't understand.
This one, this two, this three, this
My
four.
driver. This one. Madam driver. Yes, Bangladesh. He also cook like this. Yeah?
She's balang-bang, this is, that's why.
Same thing.
Ha?
Yeah, it's good. Sarap.
Okay.
Kumakain ba kayo nito?
Oo naman.
Whip yan, Mi.
Ako kumakain naman yun.
Hindi, kunin mo na yung, doon, Mi, doon ka. Doon ka, ano.
Take out, take out.
So,
Take out Farhad.
Nice for her. Your wife is lucky. You know how to cook, you know?
no, his wife is better cook than him.
Ah, okay.
You know, Pahad, my wife, that's why
Pahad.
ha?
Farhad.
Purhad.
Farhad.
Purhad.
Yeah, red.
Huh?
Ah, Farhad.
I'm very lucky also. My wife, she knows how to cook.
Yes, yes.
Because me, nothing, zero.
Sarap. Masarap. Farhad.
Mami, hindi ko makatuloy makakasubo kay Mami. Saka ka mag-picture.
Kanina ka na eh.
Oo ka na.
Naman, video pala, video pala yun.
Hanggang maubos na.
Ay, video pala yun si Mami. Kala ko eh.
What's the name?
Wala pa.
Huh?
Hindi.
Di ka hindi.
Caldereta.
Masban. Wait, masban niya? How do you smell? How do you
Uy!
spell it?
Sino si Skate? May
S-B-A-N.
Sabi kasi niyan, how do you smell? Sino how do you smell?
The first one that you cook, what's the smell? In the...
Tignan mo, Mami, sarap.
How do you smell?
Ayan, Mi, yung puro laman. Ito, Mi, oh. Ito, Mi, oh.
How do you smell?
How do you smell? Yes, and how do you smell?
Beef, no? Beef. Beef, no, Mi?
Yan.
Mi?
English yan. Ah.
Beef, no, Mi?
Tuloy.
Parhad, Mi? Ay, ano, Mami?
Farhad.
Purhad nga.
You know,
Hindi pala magluto to eh.
Tumpanjan. You know tumpanjan.
But your wife, you know, your wife is very lucky. Because you know how to cook. Parhad,
But the
Parhad,
man is
Mi?
better
Nothing, zero. Only fried, a fry.
May
Fried
kalaman
chicken,
ng
they
karne.
can cook, but this one, zero. Nothing.
Zero.
Zero. Ako,